Hey, thank you so much for tuning into my sister's kitchen. My name is Shannon, and right now I'm going to show you how to make some vegan brownies. So these brownies are quite special. I wouldn't say that they're that special, but they're definitely up there for great tasting, non-drug infused brownies. So we're gonna grab yourself a large bowl, and then we're gonna put all the dry ingredients in first, and put the wet ingredients in afterwards, so that we only use one bowl, because less dishes is more fun. All right, let's do it. So first things first, we've got 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Boom. Next things next, we got 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. For sweetness, we've got 1/3 of a cup of unrefined sugar. Unrefined, because we fancy. And 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Next, I've got 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we can go ahead and mix that all together. So I did lie, we're gonna have one more dish to make our flax egg in. So to make that, you're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with about 4 tablespoons of water, and you're just gonna stir it together. And then we'll just set that aside for now. Let's continue on with our wet ingredients next. We're gonna add 1 cup of almond milk, 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The last thing we're gonna add is our flax egg that we made before. And we can stir that around. So it's just looking a little thick in there, so I just added 2 more tablespoons of almond milk just to loosen things up a bit. Now we got one last step to finish these bad boys off, which is adding the chocolate chips. I could literally just eat this whole thing, but I won't. Maybe. All right, toss them in. Stir them around. Feel free to add some nuts in instead if you'd like, or why not both? Before I put the brownie mixture in here, I'm just gonna make sure it's all covered with some coconut oil. Let's pour our mixture in. By pour, I mean gently scoop. Once it's in, we're gonna spread it out nice and evenly. And once our brownies are good to go, we're gonna stick them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 16 to 22 minutes. It really depends on how crispy you like your brownies. If you want them to be a little lighter and fluffier and closer to a cake consistency, then take them out around 16 minutes. And if you want them to come out a little crispier on the edges, definitely bake them for longer. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. I would tell you to enjoy the brownies, but they're chocolate and sugar, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy them. If you don't, you're crazy. Until next time, okay, bye!